If you are a coach struggling to get clients on LinkedIn, I'm about to show you the one feature that could change everything. Most coaches are doing LinkedIn completely wrong. They are sending cold messages to random people and wondering why nobody responds. But what if I told you that there's hidden feature inside LinkedIn that lets you find people who are looking for exactly what you offer? In the next 12 minutes, I'll show you the exact sales navigator systems that will help you get 5 to 10 clients in the next 30 days. You see the three-step framework, the exact searches that work, and the message templates that gets 40% response rates. But first, let me ask you this. Are you making the one mistake that's killing 90% of coaches on LinkedIn? So here's what's happening right now. Every day, thousands of people are wasting hours on LinkedIn. They are scrolling through feeds, sending random connection requests, and getting ignored. Meanwhile, the ideal clients are on LinkedIn right now, actively posting about their problems, looking for solutions, and ready to pay for help. But here's the crazy part. These people can find these people because they are using LinkedIn like Facebook. They're hoping their content goes viral instead of hunting for their perfect clients. The result, they spend 3 hours a day on LinkedIn and get maybe one client every 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. That's very long. And that's not a business, that's a hobby. And the worst part, while they're struggling, all the coaches are using Sales Navigator to find 10 to 20 perfect prospects every single day. The difference isn't luck, it's not talent, it's knowing how to use one specific tool that most people completely ignore. So what's the solution? It's called the Hunt system, and it's specifically designed for coaches who want to find clients, not followers. I stand for the hunt the right people. U is understand their problems. N means navigate to the conversations. T is turn conversations into clients. This isn't about sending more messages. It's about sending the right messages to the right people at the right time. And the secret weapon, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, is like having X-ray vision for finding your perfect clients. While everyone else is posting motivational quotes hoping for someone notices them, you'll be having direct conversations with people who need your help today. But here's what makes this different from any other LinkedIn strategy you've seen. Most people teach you how to find anyone in your industry. I'm going to show you how to find people who are actively struggling with the exact problem you solve. People who are posting about their challenges, their problems, asking for advice, and basically raising their hand saying, I need help. So I'm gonna show you right here. When you activate your LinkedIn Sales Navigator, it's like you can go to the Sales Navigator here, or you can go to the Sales Navigator here, whatever you choose, right? You can go to the Sales Navigator here, and then you click to the lead filters, right? These are all the, the filters that you have to notice about. Current company, doesn't matter. So you go to the company headcount, you choose self-employed 1 to 10, because most of my list are, self-employed or 1 to 10. They don't have a big company. You can choose like 11 to 50, 51 to 100. It depends on your list, right? You go to past company, it doesn't matter. You go to company type, this which one you're gonna choose. Private health, it was my prospects. You go to self-owned and self-employed, it was for my my industry. Choose right here. You can narrow it down into like 5 to 10,000 results, because LinkedIn only gives you like 200 connection every single week. So for you notice that you have to connect with everyone like 200 for every week, and you're gonna run out of a list soon. Make sure you have like 5 to 10,000 to connect with them. They are your ICP. Company type right here, and then company headquarters, doesn't matter. Function, business development, doesn't matter. This is really important. That is your ICP. So we want to target this as many roles as possible. You can use ChatGPT to come up with the title of your prospect. For me, it's like founder, yes, founder, co-founder, consultant first, co-founder, owner, car owner, coach, consultant. I choose this. You can choose the director. Yeah, you can choose as many as you want. For me, it's like this. You can see it's narrowing down to 4 million results. And then seniority level, doesn't matter. Past job title, doesn't matter. Years in current company, really matter. So you're gonna choose like less than 1 year, 1 to 2 years, and 3 to 5 years. That's most of my list are going about. As you can see, it's going to narrow into 1 million results. Years in current position, doesn't matter. Geography, it matters. So my list my prospects are in the first world countries, so I'm gonna choose United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Big Four, and Australia, right? So these are the countries that I'm targeting. As you can see, 700 results. So the industry is really important. So I'm gonna choose business consulting and service, marketing services, advertising services, and professional training and coaching. Yeah, that's all the industry. You can choose more based on your niche. First name doesn't matter, last name doesn't matter. Profile language, as long as you target into the US, you're gonna choose the English, or you can get to the Spanish countries, you can choose Spanish. For me, it's English. Alright, 30K. It's good, it's narrowing down. Years of experience, doesn't matter, you can choose that before. Growth score doesn't matter, so we're gonna choose this one. Like for this buyer intent, you will choose view your profile recently. You can choose that to connect with them, because those are the people that they saw you, they know you, who you are, you can easily connect with them. But for now, I'm not gonna choose them right here. About the connection is really important. We're not gonna choose the first degree connections because we already connect with them. So we're gonna choose second and third connections. About the connections of, you can choose your connect, the person that they have a lot of other clients are following them. You can choose it, but for me it's not right now, so I'm not gonna choose it. About the past college and share experiences, it's not as well. And the next feature is really important. So they're posted on LinkedIn. Most people on LinkedIn, they're not very active, but if you can choose this feature, as you can see, it's narrowing down to 46K, because the people that not posted on LinkedIn, they're not very active. If you turn on this, you just choose the active people on LinkedIn. That's why your ideal clients, you can tag it in them, you can message them, they will respond to you. So as you can see here, it's still 46K. It's still a lot of leads. They are not 80 to 90% or ideal avatar. So we're gonna narrow it down for now. I'm gonna choose this one. This in current company. I'm gonna minus this. As you can see, 35K is decent. We're gonna keep it. So if you want to narrow it down better, you can only choose like one of these country. I'm gonna turn off United Kingdom. Let's see, 26K. Turn off Canada. 24K. Turn off Australia as well. 21K. You can there's so many options you can choose, as long as you have like 5 to 10K result. Those are the best clients. I just guide you right now, then the rest of thing you will choose on yourselves. So yeah, and then you're gonna save the result right here. You're gonna see it to the save searches. You're gonna name it, let's say founders assisting right here, and save it. And then the next thing that you want to do is to connect with them. You connect with all of them. And then once they accepted your connection, you're gonna message them. So how do you message them and turn them into clients? You're gonna have the conversations with them. So I put together a list of the templates, the messaging template you can use to choose from. You can download it below this video. Those are the things that I tested myself, and you can sign it. You can use them to sign clients on LinkedIn. So you can message them and you have a conversation with them, send them free value, and then book call with them, right? So yeah, that's it. And if you want me to help you create how to write the LinkedIn content, also use AI to LinkedIn content, just comment below. I'm gonna put together a guide to show you guys how to write LinkedIn content that connect with your clients, right? As you can see here, I write LinkedIn content every single day, have a framework for it. Also, I'm writing LinkedIn posts for this guy as well. He's getting like a lot of views and a lot of likes from it. I'm writing for this guy, so let me know if you want my help to help you guys know how to write LinkedIn content that converts, right? So about the message, like you can use this formula. I saw your post about specific problem. I have similar version with specific result. Would you like to see how? Yeah, and that's it. That not long sales speeches, not talking about yourself, to acknowledge their problem and offer to help. But here's the advanced move that separates the pros from everyone else. You can use the connection of the filter to find people connected to your existing clients. These are warm introductions waiting to happen. And here's the psychological trigger that doubles your response rate. Instead of asking, "Can I help you?" ask, "Would you like to see how I help someone in your exact situation?" The first question makes you sound like every other salesperson. The second makes you sound like someone with a proven solution. And look, most of you will watch this video and do nothing. They'll go back to posting inspirational quotes and hoping for the best. But you are different. You understand that clients don't find you, you find them. Sales Navigator is your unfair advantage. Use it. And if you want my complete leading client acquisition system, including exact message templates and follow-up sequences, click the link below. It's free and it works. But ciao for now.